right, here we go. We were deciding to try to make some new coffee concoction. So, you want to lead the way?
Okay. So it's equal parts sugar, instant coffee, and water.
Because we like coffee. Because we like coffee. Because we like coffee.
So that's 4 tablespoons instant coffee. And 4 tablespoons of sugar. Oh. 4 tablespoons of water.
4 tablespoons of water.
Is our mixer here with our whisks. And it's supposed to get frothy and kind of like caramelly.
Add it to our brownie. Oh my gosh, that is a lot.
Good?
Sure. How's it taste?
Haven't tasted it yet. Have you?
No. You want me to taste it, huh?
Yep.
This is very, very coffee.
Strong.
Yes, it's super strong. I think it would go well with some cream or milk, like it's intended to be. Mm-hmm.